Now Imam Behki narrates that Walid bin Jami says that my grandmother narrates he narrates from Hazrat Umme Varqa binti Abdullah binti al-Haris radiyallahu anha that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, used to go and meet Hazrat Umme Varqa, and he had named her Shahida. Shahida. Now Hazrat Umme Varqa had memorized the Holy Quran, and when the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, left for the battle of Badr, Hazrat Umme Varqa humbly said to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that she also wanted to join him and the other Muslims in the battle of Badr, and that she would provide first aid to the wounded ones, with the intention that this might lead her to be granted the honorable rank of martyr, the honorable rank of martyrdom, shahadat. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, replied that Allah has made martyrdom your fate. Allah has made martyrdom your fate, shahadat your fate. She then said to take along to Battle of Badr as well. She wanted to, that she also go along with the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, to the Battle of Badr. But the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, on the other hand, commanded her to lead the prayers for her family members. So she led the prayers with one of her female slave and one male slave behind. Now during Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu's caliphate, Hazrat Varqa, those two slaves who used to be with Hazrat Varqa, they murdered her, and they both then ran away. But they were eventually caught, and they were the first two people in Medina al-Munawwara, the slaves of Hazrat Varqa, who were hanged in Medina al-Munawwara. And it was at that time that Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala stated, verily, what the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said was true. He said in his lifetime that Hazrat Varqa was a martyr, and that shahadat, martyrdom, will come to her. And now, after the apparent demise of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, what the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said came out to be true. Came out to be true. This means that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, knows. He does know what is there in the future. Why? Because he is the beloved of Allah. And he's already said this, that Hazrat Varqa will be martyred. He called her Shahida. So that came out to be true in the lifetime at the caliphate of when Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala was the caliph of Islam.